Here at Lloyd Range Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover 3-litre D350 Autobiography, finished in Borasco Grey metallic paint, with 22-inch black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include digital LED headlights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the tailgate, we can see the load space with the 2040 rear folding seats and the parcel shelf. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the suede cloth headlining as well as the sunroof from the inside. As we look down to the Ebony Perforated Semi-Aniline Leather seats. And on the centre console we can see the rear climate controls. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian surround sound system badge on the door card, as we turn into view the heated and cooled massage front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the heated steering wheel button with the adaptive cruise controls, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, the head-up display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integrated, the controls for the heated and cooled front seats, as well as the massage functions, and we also have the 3D surround camera system display. On the center console we can see the climate controls with the terrain response dial and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.